Welcome back. Today, cage for SONY a6000 series from Andoer. When it landed on my desk, I went ahead and opened the box. I got a cable clamp, Allen key and a cage with a grip. Now, this grip is made from alloy and it can fit on a smallrig a6600 cage, only if you don't like the wooden grip. It is nice grip, really solid. Now, cage is basically same as one from smallrig. This, however, looks a little bit more rough. Here, my a6500 fits perfectly, as expected. Let's pop the grip, and here we go. Everything is accessible. Every button, dial and compartment. If you're using external mic, monitor or power, the cable clamp is must to protect the connector and connection. Here some details of the cage and grip. Plenty of mounting options, also cold shoe on the top. Price is set on $30 for this setup. All linked in description below. See you next time.